Yes, I was very happy that I was invited to give a presentation. And first of all, in my presentation, I invited people to bust some myths about 55 plus talent learning. Secondly, we were discussing about how to build such a workplace where learning is organized in an age-friendly way and how to lead it. And thirdly, we were finalizing the presentation with some tools to take away and take it to the practice at each workplace after this to get some results. And yeah, that was it. 45 minutes, and yeah, such a big topic. But thank you for the invitation. Well, I would say that first of all, let's welcome and let's embrace the diversity, and let's think and see the potential in each individual that is, for example, coming to our workplace as a recruitee, or when we are planning and facilitating learning and professional and personal development in our workplace, we need to understand what are the needs of each individuals, what are the suitable and relevant and motivating learning paths, and not to forget the bigger picture. So that has to be in context with the strategic needs of the organization and the company. So these are the things that I would like you to remember when fighting age discrimination or ageism, and embracing all ages and the diversity, including 55 plus workforce.